So, usually after you mow, you have to clean out the grass that's stuck on the bottom before you put the lawnmower away. You use this stick here and you just poke at the grass and get out as much as you can. Doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but you do want to get a lot of it out so the next time you mow it will be easier on the mower, because when this stuff is stuck under here, the mower has to work harder. Yeah, never use your hands. Make sure the lawnmower is unplugged before you start doing this, because you don't want the blade to accidentally start moving and chop off your fingers. Then once you get all this out, you want to kick this around the yard so it's not sitting in one big pile, because that will kill the grass. There. Not perfect, but the big pieces are out. Then when you have this big load of grass here, just pull the mower off of it and you can just kick it around on the grass, or I like to kick it towards the fence. Like that. Just spread it around so it doesn't kill the grass. The grass won't die if it's thin, but if it's thick, it could kill the grass. Yeah, that's all.